Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, today we've got an absolutely gorgeous fountain pen for you, and it comes in this original box, as you can see here, which the box itself is in absolutely beautiful condition. Now, jumping in very well early, the pen itself and this box comes from around about the 1920s, the 1930s. So for that age, nearly 100 years old, look how well this box has survived in absolutely beautiful condition. It's got this sort of lovely sort of tortoise shell pattern. It's got this gold braid running around the top there. It's got brass fittings, and all in all, superb box of that particular period that's helped keep this pen inside safe and sound. So let's get straight inside. Let's press this little button here. Whoops a daisy, and there we have it. So what we'll do, let's take the pen out first of all. Another little look at this here. You can see it says what it says on the tin. It's got Waterman Ideal fountain pen. To the very bottom there, it actually says made in USA and Canada. So as you can see, it's got this lovely brown velvet to the bottom there. Again, the box itself, absolutely beautiful condition. Let's pop that to one side and let's have a look at this stunning fountain pen. Take a look at that. Absolutely beautiful. What we've got for you here, we've got a Watermans Ideal fountain pen. I believe this one to be the number 52. Now, for you people that don't know, the Waterman 52, very popular pens. Everybody wants the Waterman 52. They came in many different colours, different trims, etc. They came in standard black colours. They had gold bands on the barrels, on the caps. They came in hard red rubber. They came in the ripple patterns. So they came in many different guises. They also came in these, what we term as overlays. They came in lots of different patterns as far as the overlay is concerned. They also came in as this one, which I believe is a gold filled overlay. They came in solid gold overlays. They also came in some beautiful solid silver overlays as well, and some what we term as filigree overlays as well. So they came in many different sort of patterns and different trims. This one, nice and simply, as you can see hopefully there, this overlay is what we term as the smooth overlay. There's no pattern on it. Well, I say there's no pattern apart from, if you look at the bottom there, it's got this sort of knurling to the end of the barrel there. But all in all, the overlay is lovely and smooth. So it's what we term as the smooth overlay. Again, in I believe to be gold filled. There's no gold marks on it. So as far as I'm aware, again, I would say it's gold filled. It's a lever fill, as you can see there. Okay, it's got this large sort of Ideal lever, lollipop lever there. If we take you up to the top, let's show you the clip there. You've got Watermans, you've got the Ideal logo, and as you can see, it's the riveted clip there, which is a ball clip, as you can see. And to the top, just nice simple, just a plain domed end to the cap there. The pen itself does not have any imprints apart from, if I turn it round, very difficult to video because of the sort of very shiny gold, but you'll see it says Watermans, and it's got an Ideal logo, fountain pen to the bottom of the cap there. So as far as the pen's concerned, that's the only imprint that's actually on the pen, apart from the Ideal on the lever itself. Now this pen I found in the wilds recently. It was rather dirty, just needed cleaning up, but one of the problems it had is that the lever itself was actually broken. Okay, so what I had to do is actually remove the lever, or the old lever. Basically what happened is the box was okay, but the lever itself was broken off. Again, I removed it. So as you can see here on the picture, there's the pen with the box lever removed. And then what I needed to do is source a new lever. Well, not just the lever, but the box as well. And what I did, I reached out to people, and basically I sourced a new lever, box lever, from a gentleman by the name of Dennis. So thank you, Dennis, you know who you are. So what we did then is, well, very simply, we had to remove the overlay first of all, and then install the box lever, as you can see there. And if we lift it up slightly, let's just give you another view there. Okay, so we've installed not a brand new one, but a restored lever box to the pen there. And also what we've done, we've replaced the sack inside. It's got a brand new sack inside. Everything has been thoroughly cleaned. The size of this pen from the top of the cap to the end of the barrel, around about 138 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's approximately around about 11.5 millimeters in diameter. As I say, an absolutely stunning example. You can see the little knurling there towards the end of the barrel again. In absolutely stunning condition. There's absolutely no dings, there's no wear. It's in beautiful condition, and it's the first pen in a long while that I've actually sort of serviced, restored, cleaned, looked at the pen and said to myself, I'm keeping that. This is good enough to keep in my personal collection. It's absolutely stunning. Let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's give you a couple of little different views on different angles. Pop the cap down like so. Let's take you up to the, you can see the end, well, the top of the barrel there, nice and black. You can see the section, again, all been cleaned, in beautiful condition. And then let's show you the nib. And what we've got is a Watermans Ideal Canada number 2 nib. There's the sideways view. Let's turn it round. You can see the standard sort of Waterman feed there. Everything again lovely and clean. So it's got the correct nib, and because of the nib says Canada, I'm assuming that this pen was made in Canada, and it's got the correct, as we've just said, the correct number 2 nib. All in all, it's quite, with the overlay, it's quite actually a heavy pen, but a lovely size for my large hands. Now, because I'm keeping this pen, I don't mind doing a writing sample for you people. So what we'll do, let's open the lever, if I can get my nail inside there. Let's pop the nib in the ink. Okay, lots of bubbling going on inside there, which is precisely what we like to see. Let's give it a little bit of a wipe. Ink to one side, let's bring on some paper, and let's see how the pen writes. First time I've tested it, so you'll be seeing what I see. So, what do we have? We have a a Watermans Ideal fountain pen. As we said, with this gorgeous smooth overlay, and we're dating the pen, as I said earlier, 1920s, 1930s. Okay, it's writing absolutely lovely. There you go. Before you people ask, does it have any flex? By looking at that, I would say yes, it does. So absolutely lovely. So look at that. It's actually writing, I would say, with a broadish line. It looks like a stub nib actually, but it's writing absolutely lovely. It's got some flex to the nib, as you'd expect from a Waterman pen. It's got a lovely variation in the line, but writing absolutely gorgeous. So let's pop that to one side. We'll flush the pen after the video. Let's pop the cap back on, and there we have it, an absolutely stunning example. And because it's stunning, because it's flawless, in fact I would say it's pretty well, I don't like using the word, but it's in mint condition. There's no dings, there's no wear, it's in beautiful, as was out of the factory, out of the shop condition. So the box, as you saw earlier, has helped to keep the pen in this beautiful condition. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, don't be shy, leave a comment down below. Have you subscribed? If not, why not subscribe now? And don't forget people, wherever you are around this world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.